Today we're installing a trellis on top of this copper roof. We have this big beautiful trellis and we have this copper roof, but how are you going to install it? We're going to use a combination of 3 of our products. The first product is our NB1D. It's a 6x6 stainless steel flange and it has a 3/4 inch waterproof threaded port. The reason why I say waterproof threaded port is because it is no longer a hole, it's a port. So this product is going to be used in combination with our NB52. Our NB52 has a 3/4 inch stud, and on the top it has a 1/2 inch waterproof threaded port. The caulk ring is going to be used for the sealant, and the spanner holes on top so that we can give it a really tight squeeze to the top of the copper and sandwich it in. This is how it's going to work. The NB1D is already installed into the structure and fastened down. The NB52 is going to go on top of the copper and sandwich it in like that. This is how we do it. The copper has been cut. There's a hole here. The first step in the process is we're going to seal around the hole to give it 100% waterproof protection, because what we're going to have is a gasket seal once we're done. Now we install a little bit more on the NB52 right there in the caulk ring. Once that's ready, the NB52 threads right into our NB1D below, which is going to sandwich the copper together. And here's where I use my spanner tool to give you a really tight seal. And you'll see the gasket seal that's created, giving you 100% waterproof protection. We continue to spin down and tighten the NB52, sandwiching the copper onto the NB1D below. Let me give it one more good spin just for good measure. There you go. Now you are completely sealed. There's no water getting through. This is a waterproof threaded port, so no water can get in there. Now we're going to install our post system. Our posts come with a borehole through all the way through the middle. It has the countersink on the other side, which is going to be for this washer, because we're going to compress the post system down onto the NB52. And here's how it works with our threaded rod. The 1/2 inch threaded rod spins into the NB52 all the way down till it locks into place. Now our post system, this is the top of the post. The post slides completely through. Set it in place. The washer is then installed in between the threaded rod to keep it straight and secure. Now we put the nut on top. And we are going to compress this post system down onto the top of the NB52, giving you strength, security, and 100% waterproof protection. Hold it in place, fasten it down. Now the beauty of the post system is as we fasten this and we compress down, we're putting no stress on the fasteners that are in the NB1D below, because as we compress down, we are pushing down onto the top of the NB52 flange, which is held into place. So now you're done. You're 100% sealed, strong. Here's the cap, and now you can attach your trellis. If you've got waterproofing challenges, Nill Building Solutions. Thanks. See you later.